supplies. We've got our tent, cook stove, fuel, frying pan, and of course our saddlebags. Alright, let's rethink this. Alright, so here's a close-up of the essential motorcycle camping kit, in my opinion. Starting with the most essential, camp chair. It's a tiny thing, fits in your saddlebag. You sit to eat, you sit to cook. There's a lot of sitting, it's worth it. Clothes, waterproof roll-up bag. Food, we don't have coolers. That means freeze-dried meals, pick your brand. Simple spoon fork combo, they're great. First aid kit, that is actually the most important, joking aside. Toolkit, right? You should have this with you anytime you're riding, non-commute style, if you're going to be in the woods especially. Rope kit, this has about 150 feet of rope in it and 2 pulleys, just in case I have to self-salvage a bike or help someone out of a ditch, or just string up something at camp. Toilet paper, I just toss it in this bag because you want kind of clean toilet paper, right? Jet boil, coffee press, fuel burner, fits in one container. We make coffee with it, we cook water for our food with it. I mentioned before, but the food bags themselves are the bowls as well, so we don't need any pots or pans or bowls. Tent kit, choose your brand. It's a hammock, it's a rain fly, it's a bug net, and you can get an underquilt if you're going to be doing cold weather camping. But it's way easier than packing a tent and a sleeping pad, so highly recommend it, and they're super comfy. And then of course duct tape, and then I have in the saddlebag here hand wipes, baby wipes, wet wipes, whatever you want. Gets messy, it's nice to have something to wipe up. That's it. Again, there's a few other extra miscellaneous things. You can check out our website for the full list, but that's how we do it, and happy camping.